Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Awalia Husna. I am from grade 12 Accounting 5. In this opportunity, I would like to present the report of job training at Dinas Perdagangan, Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. The thing that I will discuss the presentation about preface, table of contents, chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 general description, chapter 3 implementation of job training, chapter 4 closing. Preface. Praise to be our gratitude to pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His guidance so that we can complete this street vendor activity report properly. This job training activity report was carried out to meet the requirements for the school examination for the 2020 and 2021 school year. We have completed it for 3 months on February 4 to April 15, 2020. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for all your support, assistance, advice, and guidance to 1. Mr. D.R.S. Parman, MPD, as the head of SMK Negeri 1 Tukuturi. 2. Mrs. Derasus Priyanti MM, as head of Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. 3. Mrs. Triwagiati SPD, as the head of the Department of Accounting and Institutional Finance. 4. Mrs. Niswa Lutfiani SPD, as School Supervisor. 5. Mr. Firdaus SPD, as the job training with who has helped us when implementing street vendors. 6. Employees of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. 7. The teacher of SMK Negeri 1 Tukuturi who have supported this activity. 8. And the other parties that we cannot name one by one. Hopefully, this job training report is useful even though there are still many shortcomings and mistakes. Therefore, we really need suggestions and criticisms for readers to revise the preparation of the next street vendors report. Tegal, June 2020, compiler. Table of contents. Title page number 1. Ratification, page number 2. Preface, page number 3. Contents, page number 4. Chapter 1 Introduction, page number 1. A. The background on job training, page number 1. B. Purpose and benefits of job training, page number 1. C. Location, time, and place of street vendors, page number 2. Chapter 2 General Description, page number 3. A. Brief history of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, page number 3. B. Vision and mission of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, page number 4. C. Organizational structure of Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, page number 5. D. Geographical condition of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, page number 6. Chapter 3 Implementation of job training, page number 7. A. Activities carried out at street vendor, page number 7. B. Suitability of job training activities between theory and practice, page number 7. C. Observation result. Problem that arise during street vendors, page number 8. D. Troubleshooting in street vendors, page number 8. Chapter 4 Closing. A. Conclusion, page number 9. B. Suggestion, page number 9. Reference, page number 10. Chapter 1 Introduction. A. The background on job training. What is the job training? Job training are educational, training, and learning activities carried out in the business world, industrial world, or institutions. That activity is an approach or to improve the quality of vocational high school students with the competency skills that have been selected and is accordance with their fields. Job training is also one of the curricula that vocational high school students must take, so that it can be obtained in the world of work and make a picture for one day students work in the industrial world, business world, and institution actually. B. Purpose and benefits of job training. The objective of the fieldwork practice are 1. To obtain competent graduates. 2. Can strengthen the link and match between school and professional quality workforce training. 3. Increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the education and training process for professional quality workers. 4. Profit recognition and appreciation for work experience and part of the educational process. 5. Provide opportunities for participants to be educated to know and understand all operation activities at duty or self. The benefits of job training are 1. Get very broad knowledge about the in and out of the world of work itself. 2. Increase self-confidence, discipline, and responsibility. 3. Knowing the importance of discipline and responsibility. 4. Can understand and strengthen knowledge and also develop lessons learned at school. 5. Can compare the skills acquired in school with those needed in the world of work. C. Location, time, and place of street vendors. The location of the office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, which is on Professor Street Muhammad Yamin, number 4, Slawi, south of Dinas Lingkungan Hidup, north of Kantor Kejaksaan Slawi. The time for the implementation of the job training itself is for 3 months starting on Tuesday, February 4, 2020 until Monday, May 4, 2020. However, in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic that has spread in Indonesia, the time for implementing the job training was stopped on Monday, March 16, 2020. Time of job training are 1. The place of Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, Monday to Friday at the 7:15 until 2 o'clock. 2. Field Market, Monday to Saturday at 8 o'clock until 12 o'clock. Chapter 2. General Description. A. Brief history of the Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. The Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal was formed based on the Regional Regulation Tegal Regency Number 12 of 2016 concerning the formation and composition of the regional apparatus of Tegal Regency. Based on the regulation of the Region of Tegal Number 70 of 2016 concerning the position of the organizational structure of the duties and function and work procedures of the Tegal Regency of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal, service is positioned as a supporting element of the regional government in the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is headed by a head. Services that are under and directly responsible to the region of Tegal. Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and Kabupaten Tegal is an amalgamation of the Kabupaten Tegal and one area of cooperative and the industry service of Tegal Regency. Became the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal number 821 1 1018 2008 dated July 26 2008 concerning the appointment of structural positions in Excellence 2 and 3 in the District Government Environment Tegal. Based on the regional regulation of the Tegal Regency number 8 of 2008, Chapter 12, Article 17, the main duties of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is implementing local government based on the principle of autonomy and administration in the trade, cooperative, and UKM. B. Vision and mission of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. Department of Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal has the following vision and mission. 1. Vision: the realization of the prosperous, independent, superior, cultural, and noble moral community. 2. Mission: A. Creating a clean, open, accountable, and effective bureaucracy in serving. B. Strengthen the power of development infrastructure that is reliable, quality, and integrated and environmentally sound. C. Build a people's economy that is strong, advanced, fair, and sustainable. D. Improving the quality of human resources through improving education, health, and social serving by utilizing skills and technology. E. Improve the tertiary, safe, peaceful, and comfortable community life while maintaining and preserving cultural values and local wisdom. C. Organizational structure of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. D. Geographical condition of the Office Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal. Established geographic condition for Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is at an altitude above sea level tropical climate condition. Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is on number 4 Slawi Street, Profesor Muhammad Yamin, south of Dinas Lingkungan Hidup, north of Kantor Kejaksaan Slawi. Within borders as follows: 1. North, Traiman Market and Banjaran Market. 2. South, Lebak Siu Market and Bojong Market. 3. West, Gedung Sukun Market. 4. East, Curug Animal Market, Palamo Market, and Jatilaba Market. Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is strategically situated and is also widely known by the public. Because of the Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is a trade business licensing service office, a central cooperative institution, and small and medium enterprises. Chapter 3. Implementation of job training. A. Activities carried out as street vendors. Activities that we did for a month and a half in the market sector, precisely a Pepedan Market, Kecamatan Dukuturi, Kabupaten Tegal, that is namely collecting kiosk data, calculating the money from market retribution, filling in the ticket sheet, filling in DPD 260, completing market data, rating and filling in data of active market traders, analyzing data on market traders, making certificates for traders who are still active, printing the certificate, attending a meeting with service employees, counting number of incoming office stationery, and filling out the STS. B. Suitability of job training activities between theory and practice. The suitability of the results of participle active with theory is a different. I think it's easier to practice and then theory, because job training is an activity in the real world business, while theory is provisioning obtained from schools which will be practiced during job training. The conformity of the result of the activities with the result we have supported during street vendors. 1. At school, we have studied staffing competitions in the discipline of employees in the workplace. One example of manual working in an example of manual labor, but in a web agency using data entered directly on a computer. 2. Competency of package financial material. For example, in school, learning in the impression system and the fluctuation system, while in the institution it only records a deposit certificate. C. Observation result. Problem that arise during street vendors. The obstacle for street vendors in the Department of Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM Kabupaten Tegal is the use of computers and networks that support computers that support both internal and external factors. In the use of computers and computers network system, there are many obstacles. 1. If you are making data on the computer and suddenly the power goes out and the data file has not been saved, what happens is that the data file is lost because it was not saved while the electricity was still on. 2. Network problems due to system directory service failures so that clients cannot enter network. 3. Damage to some computers causing communication on the network to be slow or not working at all. Damage that occurs in the printer machine causes the printed paper to because damage is stuck in the printer machine. D. Troubleshooting in street vendors. First skin of the obstacles that are related to street vendors, but it can call mean in various ways are 1. If there is a sudden power outage when we use that computer and we are doing the practice of making data or something else, it should be solved first so that the files remain and are stored on the computer. 2. If a network occurs, the office should first confirm whether the network is adequate or not. If not, the office must report the network first. 3. Before work, workers will use computers should make sure and check their computers first so they are not connected at work. Chapter 4. Closing. Conclusion and suggestion. The report of job training at Dinas Perdagangan Koperasi and UKM are A. Conclusion. After I did the job training, I got a lot of benefits, my experience, knowledge, and everything related to the world of work, so that I can add to the insight I have gotten so far. Because with pursuit, I can go a long way in the abilities that I have acquired at school. Besides that, I can also see how the experience of working in an office is. With this, I can understand non-academic and non-technical concepts in the world of work, such as maintaining superior relation with subordinates, maintaining relationship, and so on. B. Suggestion. At the end of this section, I will provide suggestions for both the school and the office regarding in the implementation of street vendors. 1. For students who carry out job training activities, the most important suggestion is to maintain the good name of the school where street vendors are implemented and comply with existing regulations in the company. 2. For schools, students who will be deployed to the company to implement street vendors should be provided with the work to be carried out in the company beforehand so that students feel ready both mentally and physically. 3. For companies, it is hoped that the cooperation between schools and companies will be fostered and signed by providing many opportunities for students to implementing street vendors. Thank you for all. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.